Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss an important topic that affects our financial well-being: maintaining a good credit record and score. Your credit record plays an important role in your ability to secure loans, mortgages, and other financial opportunities. Let's dive into some key tips on how to keep your credit record in excellent shape. This is going to be a 3-part series, and we'll start with understanding your credit report. Please note that this is not financial advice. The first step to maintaining good credit is understanding your credit report. You can get a copy of your credit report from one of the credit reference agencies in the UK, such as Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion, by subscribing to the service. Some banks also enable a view of your credit score from your mobile phone app, which is free of charge. However, this doesn't provide a detailed breakdown of the activities on your credit report. This service is best for tracking your credit report month on month just to monitor it. There are also some other firms that offer access to your credit report in conjunction with credit reference agencies, typically for a fee. You will need to review your credit report regularly to ensure accuracy and address any discrepancies promptly, because errors and fraud can sometimes occur. Viewing your credit report monthly allows you to track discrepancies or inconsistencies on time, enabling you to follow up with the lender where necessary. The first thing we need to do is to understand the meaning of the numbers or letters in a credit report. Sometimes letters used in a credit report may vary from one credit reference agency to another. Therefore, today we'll provide a broad guidance. If you are unsure what the letter means, you can always ask your lender or the credit reference agency you have subscribed to. So the first thing to understand is the numbers on your credit report. So what do these numbers mean? On a credit report, you may see a number such as 1, 2, etc. And this shows that, for instance, you are 1 or 2 months behind on your repayment. These are also referred to as arrears. S means that the loan has been settled. Now, this will typically apply to a loan that hadn't defaulted before you paid it off. If you had a default on your loan and subsequently repay the loan, it is usually marked as satisfied or SF. U means that there is no update to the account, either because the account has just been opened recently or the lender has not provided any further information. This can happen when it is a defaulted account. D stands for a defaulted account, typically an account that is over 6 months in arrears. However, this can vary. Before an account defaults, the lender should issue a notice of default to make you aware they are about to default your account and give you the chance to update your account. Note that a default notice doesn't impact your credit record, but the actual defaulting of your account will impact your credit record and score. A CCJ shows that you have a county court judgment issued against you for the debt you owe. This will also be marked as satisfied once you pay it off. As I mentioned earlier, you may see other symbols or characters on your credit report, and if you are unsure, please contact the credit reference agency for a better understanding. Another area where people get concerned is addresses. Your credit file should not be impacted by another person whom you share an address with, except the person is a financial associate. A financial associate is another individual who you have applied for credit together. For example, a personal loan as a joint borrower or a mortgage. The individual can be a partner or relative. Challenges with financial association typically occur when one party leaves the credit to be repaid by the other party, but this other party doesn't fulfill their obligations. It is also your responsibility to ensure any joint debt is paid off when due, so you should monitor repayments even if it's the responsibility of the other party to make repayments. If a relationship breaks down, it is best to agree on repayments and also to apply to terminate the financial association once the loan has been settled. A negative marker on your credit record, such as a default, doesn't last forever. It is wiped off after 6 years. Thank you for joining us today. We look forward to welcoming you next time. Please stay tuned.